Most message finds you all well in great spirits. Well, we only have 2 weeks left to enter to win the Raptor. What does that mean? If you follow the giveaways we've done so far with the 500 and 350, that's it. I am no longer driving the Raptor. It's gonna stay in this driveway until December 24th at midnight when the giveaway ends. It's your last chance to enter. All you gotta do is go to StangMode.com, grab yourself a hat like this or a hoodie like this. And of course, our mystery boxes are back, which give you multiple bonus items, and they're also cheaper boxes as well for you guys. So please check out the Raptor. It ends soon. Remember guys, this has a nice wrap, chase rack, roof lights, the off-road rigid lights. It's pretty cool, but I'm more excited about it has our Ford certified 100,000 mile factory warranty. So you get no worries, peace of mind, no blown motor, no blown trans. This is the deal right here. But in today's video, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go take the College Mamba, head to Casper's Corner, drop it off, and pick up the Batmobile. What? That's right, the BAT-STANG is done. The all-new Lethal Performance Procharger has been installed and finished up by Mason, so we're gonna get a chance to see it, hear it, and drive it, and share it. So let's hit the road, Jack. See this soldier here? Let's see, let me show you this. 177,000 miles. Whew. That 4-liter V6 Soldier. And this would be the only Mustang that's actually working a year later. You know, truth is stranger than fiction, right? But this car is coming together. We redid the interior. We got a new convertible top. We have all new Steeda suspension on it. And now we're gonna focus on the body work. What I'm doing right now, I'm gonna drop this off at Casper's because we're not getting any heat. It's cold. And we're also gonna fix the parking brake. The cable snapped on it, so yeah, but good trans, good motor. That's why I love this car. But anyways, all jokes aside, what I'm excited about with the BatStang is a few things, right? One I'm excited about is the fact that I've never had a centrifugal Mustang, so I'm excited to share that experience with you. Two, it's all fixed up. Casper did a great job, and I appreciate them. We did oil pump gears, crank sprocket, like it's well done. And it's completely pump 93. We do have a BAP, and we do have 1,000cc injectors. We're expecting about, you know, it's about 700 horsepower. Rob Shoemaker, of course, of Palm Bizano's tuning it, so we're on pump 93. We'll see how we want to take it. I might want to just keep it at that 700 horsepower level. We'll dyno it, we'll do all that kind of fun stuff, but it's going to be a fun daily. Because not every car has to be pushed to its limits to be fun. By virtue of the fact that I'm driving V6 Mustang and I'm, you know, enjoying the experience. But of course, this is more of an emotional one, if anything. But you know, I do love this car. But anyways, let me shut up. Let's go see what Mason and Casper's put together for it. All right. See you soon, College Mamba.
That's not right.
All right, guys. Mason just finished up the install of the BatStang with the all-new Lethal Performance Procharger kit. Looks good, bro.
Yeah, man. Took a while, but good stuff.
What'd you get done with it? I know we did oil pump gears, the kit.
Yeah, first oil pump gear, crank sprocket, check the timing, you know, chains, guides, cams, everything like that. Everything was good there. Put it all back together and then installed the F1X, the P1X, whatever that's called. Procharger on the front.
P1X Procharger Stage 2.
You know, that big old front mount that they say here.
Yeah, that's gonna look cool.
So, then, you know, change the plugs, just went over the car, boost the pump.
Yep.
I mean, it's a full kit.
It's a full setup, yeah.
Lethal does a good job, and
yeah,
it's Procharger too. But
1,000cc injectors.
Oh yeah, injectors.
Yep.
The injectors.
Gap the spark plugs, 0.025.
Yep.
All right.
And then on the outside of the car, the tires.
Yep. New tires, new hubs. Yep.
And then did the off-road pipes, and then
that's right.
Of course, the exhaust already.
So it's gonna be pretty loud. Yeah. We have the blow-off valve, straight cut gears on the kit. Race valve, yeah. So it's gonna sound loud. All right. So this is tuned by Rob Shoemaker on the 93 tune. So we'll do a first drive with it and see how it feels. This is NA. Now it's a completely different beast. We probably gained like 250 wheel horsepower. So this kit's supposed to be 700 horsepower on pump gas. So.
But we're keeping it mild.
Yeah, keeping it mild. I've had some bad luck lately, you know.
I didn't want to say that.
No, there's a little bad luck lately, so we're keeping it just mild and wild. So we'll have some fun and It's nice to be back. Me and Mason were saying the Gen 2 engine bay looks so much better than Gen 3. This is the engine cover. Well, you know, strut tower, it looks so much cleaner. I do like this about the kit. They changed the coolant tank. That's nice. Procharger. Polished. The black bracket floating. Shout out, I'm gonna get crap on it. Shout out to Joe, Atlas Appliance. Yeah. He helped me spec this kit out. Yeah. Like, I got no credit, bro. No, give credit to him, but Casper's Corner, and of course, big shout out to Lethal Performance. Use code StangMode on lethalperformance.com. This kit is courtesy of them, so appreciate them. All right, let's start it up and do a first ride, bro. Yes. Bag, boosted, wide body, Procharger Mustang. Looking good, dude. Yeah. Good job, bro. Sounds great, yep. BAT-STANG is back. Oh, that sounds good, guys. Oh! Mason's gonna do a quick test drive, drive it around, and make sure everything is ship shape. Feels good. That feels good. Feels good. Mamba, we love you. You're still there waiting for your Transfer Midnight Performance. They're beefing it up for us, so excited about that. We're gonna come back stronger, but man, this thing sounds nasty. Go ahead. Oh yeah, I know. I know. Oh man. There goes BatStang. I have a working Mustang. And as for you, mister, coming back for you shortly. I've had a little bit of bad luck here. I've had good luck. If you watch the channel the last 3 years since we've gone aggressively with drag racing and stuff, I really haven't had any catastrophic breaks. You know, of course, the Hulk broke, first engine destroying, and then the Mamba has gone through, this will be now the third trans stock, and then we had to rebuild it twice with a 10 already. But when you start pushing these power levels and you're like me and you make content weekly, this is what happens. But luckily we're at a great place and great partner like Casper's Corner and Lethal Performance, who help maintain the dream. So, and of course your support by watching and liking and subscribing and grabbing the merch helps this craziness continue. So appreciate it, but feels good. Feels good to get BatStang back. Wide body, bagged, and now boosted. So it should be pretty good. And I'm excited, you know, it's pump 93. This is always the 85 in the Mamba. Hulk's E85, so this is good. This is like a good thing. So let's drive it, let's have some fun. We're not gonna push it too hard, but this poor girl. I don't care. This is my favorite car. I don't care. Like, I don't know. I get to see Hulk and it's my favorite. I get to see Mamba, it's my favorite, but I love them all. Yeah. Dude, I love this intercooler, bro. Dude, it's like the bumper fits perfect. It's a 350 bumper. That's very, yeah. It's perfect, dude. Look at that. Oh, that looks so good. Shout out Lethal Performance, yo. Appreciate you. Right there, the BAP's there. Lethal Performance is there. and my racing shoes. That's how I drive fast. First drive, baby. All right, dude, let's see how this goes. All right, first drive. Feels good to be back in a Mustang. Very happy. Not just any Mustang, my own Mustang. That works. No, I'm just kidding. It's gonna be kind of fun getting out of here. Oh yeah, feels good. All right, guys, we are back in the BatStang. Feels good. We gotta do a couple of logs for Rob, and then we will. It's good. I'm so glad to be back. Here we go. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Feels great. Feels great, 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 great. Yeah, I think 700 is a good number. Like, that's kind of like where everything's kind of happy. I mean, obviously, we're gonna have to like build some of the other cars we have with the motors and whatnot. But I feel like with a stock motor, 700 to 800 is kind of like where everything is super happy. Oh, this. You can't beat this raw, visceral feeling, I tell you what. 700 to 800 is kind of like where everything is super happy. Oh, this, woo! Oh, this feels great. Oh! Oh, this is a fast, holy cow! I didn't expect that. Oh! Oh! Yo! Where'd that come from? This is on 93? Oh, this is a bad girl. Oh, this is a bad girl. I did not expect that at all. Oh, this was definitely got that McLaren, I think. Yeah. Uh-oh. Oh, I did not expect that at all, guys. Holy cow. That was great. This is good. This is like a very happy setup. Like, I like this setup a lot. Like, oil pump gears, pump 93. We have a BAT, 1000cc injectors. It's a complete stage 2 kit from Lethal. And everything doesn't seem like strained, if that makes sense. Everything seems to be happy. You know, stock MT82. You know, probably could hit up Steeda for a short throw shifter or something, but I'm gonna tell you right now, this is very pleasing. And I'm even in normal traffic, but you know, I'm in bumper to bumper right now, and the car feels very docile, very NA almost. And then when you start to get, when you get about above 4 grand, oh, it just surges. Oh, this is great. I can do this all day. Yeah, you know, we changed the front tires, changed the wheel bearings. Car is completely happy. Oh, this feels fantastic. It just kept pulling. Oh, I gotta do a couple more pulls. And anyways, guys, I'll probably end the video with some pulls. I want to say thank you so much for all the support. Please continue to like and subscribe. Grab some merch, get entered to win the Raptor. It ends December 24th at midnight. Someone's gonna get a really cool Raptor with a 100,000-mile warranty and the cool wrap and all the off-road lights and the chase rack and the roof rack. But this right here, big shout out to Lethal Performance and Jared Rosen. Big shout out to Joe, helped me spec out this kit. Big shout out to Capricorns for putting it together, and big shout out to you for liking and subscribing. All right, guys, let me just enjoy these last little bit of pulls, because you know it never ends. Peace. It sounds so good. Remind me to come back at 500 miles, dude, to change the oil. Let me make sure.